Hey guys, today we're gonna cook a steak sandwich. For a tasty steak sandwich, I like to take a fattier steak. In this recipe, we're using a ribeye steak. Salt it generously on both sides and then let it get to room temperature before you sear it. To sear it, I recommend using avocado oil in order to reach a high temperature. Then we're going to sear the steak for around 5 minutes to a medium rare. Once you have a nice crust, you're going to flip it to the other side. Finally, you want to add some butter to properly baste the steak and get an even better crust. Now we're preparing the chimichurri sauce, which goes great along the steak. For that, we're cutting some parsley, which we add to the mortar. Then we add 1 tablespoon of red onions, 1 clove of fresh garlic, 2 pinches of salt, some fresh pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then crush it until it looks like this. Believe me, this sauce will taste amazing in the sandwich. We will pan fry the bread to make it crunchy. For that, we add some butter and fry it until golden brown. Once the meat has rested for around 10 minutes, we will cut it into thin slices. The meat has a great color, so I believe it turned out great. Now we can assemble the steak sandwich. For that, we spread some mayo on the bread, and now we add those beautiful steak pieces. Finally, we're adding our delicious homemade chimichurri sauce right on top of the meat. We close it up, and there you go, a beautiful and delicious steak sandwich.